Good morning, students. Now, example number 5. First part is 5 to the power 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 4 divided by 5 to the power 7. So, first we have to solve this part, that is 5 to the power 2 and 3, that is a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. So we have to multiply 3 by 2, 5 to the power 6, 4 divided by 5 to the power 7. Now a to the power m and a to the power n, then that become a to the power m plus n. So 5, 6 plus 4 divided by 5 to the power 7. Now it becomes 5 to the power 10, 5 to the power 7. So a to the power m upon a to the power n is equal to m minus n. That is 5 to the power 10 minus 7. That is equal to 5 to the power 3. Now in second part, is 125 to the power 4 divided by 5 to the power 3. Now prime factors of 125 is 5 into 5 into 5. That is 5 to the power 3 to the power 4 divided by 5 to the power 3. Now again a to the power m into a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. So 5, 3 4s are 12 divided by 5 to the power 3. Again 5 to the power 12 upon 5 to the power 3. Now 5 to the power 12 minus 3, that is 5 to the power 9. Next is 2, third part. Third part is 2 to the power 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 6 bracket close into 5 to the power 6. Now first we have to solve this. 2 to the power 3 to the 6 into 3 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 6, that is further equal to 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 6. Now base is different but powers are same. So 2 into 3 into 5 to the power 6, that is 6 5s are 30 to the power 6. Now example 6. Example 6 is 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 4 into 4 divided by 3 into 32. First of all, these are our composite numbers, 4 and 32. We have to convert it into prime numbers. So 2 to the power 3 into 3, the factors of 4 is 2 and 2, 2 into 2, that is 2 to the power 2. Now 3 into factors of 32 is 2 to the power 5, 2 into 2 4s and 2 2s, 1 2 3 4 5, 2 to the power 5. Now these two base are same, so it is 3 to the power 2 to the power 3 plus 2, this, and this goes up and it subtract from this, and 3 to the power 4 minus 1. So it becomes 2 to the power 5 minus 5 into 3 to the power 3. That is 2 to the power 0 into 3 to the power 3. 2 to the power 0 is 1. 3 to the power 3 is 27. So answer is 27. Next part is second part. Example 6, second part. That is 2 to the power 8 into a to the power 8 into b to the power 3 upon 4 to the power 3 into a to the power 5 b to the power 2. Now 2 to the power 8, a to the power 8, when this a to the power 5 goes up, it will subtract from 8, that is 8 to the power 8 minus 5 into b to the power 3, 2 goes up, that minus 2, and this 4 we can write 2 to the power 2 to the power 3. That is further equal to 2 to the power 8 into a to the power 3 b to the power 1 upon 2 to the power 6. Now this 2 8 minus 6 goes up and subtract from this, and a to the power 3 into b to the power 1, that is 2 to the power 2 into a to the power 3 into b to the power 1. Now third part is 3 to the power 0 plus 2 to the power 0 into 5 to the power 0. We know a to the power 0 is equal to 1, so 3 to the power 0 is 1, 2 to the power 0 is also 1, into 5 to the power 0 is also 1, so 2 into 1, that is 2. Now example number 6. Now example number 7. Example 7 is express each of the following rational number in exponential form. First one is 64 upon 343. Prime factors of 64, 2 to the power 6, that is 2 to the power 6, and this is 3 4 3 7 49 7 7 of 49, 7 to the power 3. So we can convert this 2 to the power 6 as 2 to the power 2 to the power 3 upon 7 to the power 3. So powers are same. Now 4 to the power 3 upon 7 to the power 3, that is 4 by 7 to the power 3, because a to the power m upon b to the power m is equal to a upon b to the power m. Similarly 4 to the power 3 and 7 to the power the same, base are different, 4 by 7 to the power 3. Second part is minus 27 upon 125. That is 27 is 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 3, minus 3 to the power 3, and 125 is also 5 to the power 3, 5 25, 5 5 25. Now 5 to the power 3. Again a to the power upon b to the power m is equal to a by b to the power m, that is minus 3 by 5 to the power 3. third part is that is 1 by minus 1 by 243. Now 243 make prime factors of 243. 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the no, it goes on 2, it goes on 3, 3 8 the 24, 3 1 the 3, 7 the 3 9 the and 3 3 the 1 2 3 3 to the minus 1 to the power 3 upon 3 1 to the power 5 and 3 to the power 5, then it becomes minus 1 by 3 to the power 5. Now example 8, first part. Simplify the following: minus 4m to the power 3. Now minus 4 we can write minus 1 into 4 into m to the power 3. Now it becomes minus 1 to the power 3 into 4 to the power 3 into m to the power 3. Minus 1 to the power 3 is minus 1. Then minus 4 to the power 3 is 64 to m to the power 3. Now it becomes minus 64 to the power m to the power 3. Second part, minus 5 to the power minus 4. Now we know minus 1 into 5 to the power minus 4, that is minus 1 to the power minus 4 into 5 to the power minus 4. Minus 1 to the power 4 is minus 1 by 1 by minus 1 to the power 4 into 1 by 5 to the power 4, because a to the power minus n is equal to 1 by a to the power n. Now this become 1 into 1 by 5 to the power 4 means 1 upon 5 into 5 into 5, that is 625, that is 1 by 625. Or simply you can do minus 1 5 to the power minus 4 is equal to 1 by minus 5 to the power 4, or 1 by minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5, that is 1 upon 25 into 25, that is 1 upon 625. You can do this way also. Now third part is minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 3. Now you can only reciprocal of this 2 by 3 is 3 by 2 to the power 3. A to the power minus n is equal to 1 by a to the power n. So 1 by 2 to the 2 by 3 to the power 3 become 3 by 2 to the power 3. But you can do directly 3 by 2 to the power 3. This minus become plus. Now 3 into 3 into 3 upon 2 into 2 into 2, that is 27 by 9. No, 27 by 8. Next is fourth part. Fourth part is 12 to the power 4 into 9 to the power 3 into 4 divided by 6 to the power 3 into 8 to the power 2 into 27. Now this become 3 into 2 12. We have to make 3 into 2 into 2 2 6 12, means factors of 12 is 2 6 2 3 to the power 4. 9 you can write 3 to the power 2, so into 3 to the power 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 2 divided by 2 into 6, 6 factor is 2 into 3 to the power 3 into 8 is 2 to the power 3 to the power 2, and 27 is 3 to the power 3. Now it becomes 3 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 6 into 2 to the power 2 divided by 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 3. Now 2 into 3 to the power 3, first 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 3. Next is 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 3. Now again separate it. 3 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 8 into 3 to the power 6 into 2 to the power 2 divided by 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 3 6 into 3 to the power 3. Now 3 to the power 4 this plus 6. Now 3 to the power 3 and 3 this minus 10 into 2 to the power 8 minus plus 2, these two add, and these two subtract from it. 2 to the power minus 3 minus 6, and it becomes 3 to the power 10 minus 6 into 2 to the power 10 minus 9 1, that is 3 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 1, 3 to the power 4, 10 minus 6 is 4, that is 81 into 2, and it becomes 60 162.